Day 6 of 30 days of giving you content on how to teach abroad. So we today are going to be using two other ways to find jobs abroad, and that is fairs and LinkedIn. So as you can see, I just typed in teach abroad fairs and this is what popped up. So this is ISS, and they are doing virtual fairs that are coming up. So you can scroll through, you can read and see what it is. I do believe you need to register for this, subscribe to their platform, but it's a great way to, if you cannot travel or if you're struggling to find jobs, a virtual fair is an excellent way to do so. So they have two different ones that are going on. And this will give you access to so many different schools. You'll be able to plug yourself and hopefully land some interviews. This is another website. They literally list out excuse me, a lot of other different places where you can go to find links for teaching fairs. This is Search Associates. If you choose to pay the subscription for their service, they also have tons of fairs all over the world. Some of them were from November, but here we've got London, we've got Shanghai, Toronto, Latin America is virtual, Dubai in April if you are in this region. So a fair, whether it's virtual or in person, is a really good way to do it. I know in the States also, there's a school, I went to college in Iowa. There's a school in Iowa. Oh my gosh, I just blanked on it. But they also do a fair for international teachers. So if you're in the States and you could hike it over to Iowa to get there, you could do that too. Here we are with Teachaway, with LinkedIn. LinkedIn is also, I feel like we still don't utilize LinkedIn as much as we possibly could. LinkedIn is also a great way to find teacher abroad jobs. So of those sites that I shared, I just went to the company's LinkedIn and look at all of these different opportunities that are posted on their LinkedIn. Right there, apply now. You can apply directly to that link to find a teaching job. There's so many different places. Abu Dhabi, here if somebody wants to go teach in Japan, English teacher in Japan. Bhutan, this looks like this their first school there. So there's a lot of different opportunities. Utilize these resources. There's information on visas. And then here's another job fair online for Central American schools. So like I said in the previous videos, you can literally teach abroad anywhere you want to. You just have to take the time to do the research, look it up. So there's tons of websites and companies that are on LinkedIn. I hope this video was helpful. Let me know if you sign up for any of the fairs, or if you find a fair near you, or if you're going to utilize LinkedIn more to find a teaching abroad job in 2024. Stay tuned for tomorrow. I'm going live.